That smell when you unwrap new furniture, open a fresh can of paint, or pull a new mattress out of its bag? That's formaldehyde, and the World Health Organization classifies formaldehyde as a Group 1 carcinogen, same category as tobacco smoke and asbestos. I'm Tara, and this is Tara Common. This is episode 5 of our series on toxins hiding in your home. Today, VOCs, volatile organic compounds. What they are, what's releasing them, and what to actually do about it. VOCs are chemicals that evaporate at room temperature. That's what makes them volatile. The EPA has found that indoor air can contain VOC concentrations 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor air, sometimes 10 times higher during and after activities like painting or stripping a floor. Some VOCs are fine. Some are mildly irritating, and some, like formaldehyde and benzene, are known carcinogens. Here's where they hide in a typical home. Composite wood, particleboard, MDF, plywood, all use formaldehyde-based glue. Most flat-pack furniture is also made of this. New carpet and the padding underneath. Paint, stains, and varnishes, especially anything with the word alkyd or oil-based on the label. Vinyl flooring. Most conventional cleaning products, scented candles, plug-in air fresheners, and anything labeled with the word fragrance. That word, fragrance, can legally cover dozens of undisclosed chemicals. Here's what most people don't know. New furniture and building materials don't just off-gas for a day. Most release the highest concentration of VOCs in the first few weeks. Many continue for months. Some, like formaldehyde from composite wood, can continue for years. Warm temperatures and high humidity speed it up, which is why you'll often notice the smell more in the summer. What can we do? 3 things that actually move the needle. 1. Buy better when you can. Solid wood furniture instead of particleboard. Look for a certification called Green Guard Gold on furniture and mattresses. It caps emissions at much stricter levels than federal rules. Choose low VOC or zero VOC paint. It costs about the same as regular paint now. 2. Air it out. If you can't avoid composite wood, and most of us can't, let new items off-gas in a garage or a porch for a week or 2 before bringing them inside. 3. Filter your air. A regular HEPA filter does nothing for VOCs. You need an air purifier with an activated carbon filter. That's the layer that actually traps gas phase chemicals. The one I run is linked below, and I've also linked my favorite low VOC paint in the description. I've put together a free off-gassing and VOC guide. It includes a shopping list of what to look for, what certifications actually matter, and a room-by-room checklist. The links are all in the description. The next episode, hidden mold. It's the toxin most people overlook until it becomes a major problem, and by the time you can see it, you've usually had it for months. So we'll see you there, and as always, please like and subscribe. It really helps.